Okay, so I decided to make a quick video about a code that I was getting on my massive flow sensor. My car's a 98 Mercedes CL500 with the M119 engine. And a few days ago, I was having an issue whereby the car, mostly when it's idling, will just shut off. And it didn't matter if it was at a cold start or, if the car had run for, half an hour or more. Or, it doesn't really matter. I could take a trip for half an hour, come back home, let it idle. Then it would shut off. I'll start it up, let it run for a few minutes, then it will shut off. So it happened a couple of days, and I was kind of figuring out what was going on. Long story short, I put my OBD2 scanner in there, and I got the code P0100. And P0100 is a circuit malfunction on Mercedes massive flow sensors. So I googled the massive flow sensor. Now I believe 97 and 98 Mercedes had an older version of a massive flow sensor, which, come to find out, is not cheap. I mean, there are others on the market, but this bad boy over here is the massive flow sensor. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the Bosch number right there. And it's got 4 prongs on the bottom. And I guess that's the wind vane that's in there. It's got some weird plastic housing on the inside, but this thing has some weight to it. So what was happening was that I guess maybe the circuit might have gone bad on the inside, maybe somewhere in here. See, that's got glue around the base. I mean, this is actually a replacement. This is an extra one that I had maybe a couple of years ago. Just picked this up from a salvage yard. I just picked packed random. But this piece here, come to find out, I called my local dealership and auto parts store. Would you believe this piece is selling for well over $500? It's about $562 or more. The newer Mercedes models obviously use a much cheaper version of it, but this with the 4 prongs and the one with some kind of special vane that's in here was much more expensive. So long story short, I'm going to use my older one that I have. Hopefully I'm not going to get that code any longer, but that's the benefit of having extra ones. But anyway, I just want to show you real quick how to take this part out, because I had a little bit of a problem taking the massive flow sensor out. So mine is taken out already, but I just want to show something here. This is where it sits. Let's see if I could get a better angle here.